MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. Make sure you register on regulated Forex brokers. Check every Forex brokers out before you registered. You can easily do this on Google. Just Google them out. Type their names and put scam in front of their names. You will see a lot of information concerning any brokers. Just make sure they are regulated in your area or zone, and do not waste your time, your effort practicing on any broker's platform that is not registered. And before you go live with any brokers, make sure you try all your strategy on their demo account. Try it out on regulated brokers demos account. Do not go live with any strategy, either paid strategy or free strategy, paid Forex signals or free Forex signals, either paid Forex indicators or free Forex indicators. Make sure you check it out before you go live. Check it out on demos account before you go live. Make sure you trade with regulated Forex brokers and practice your strategy on their demo accounts before you go live, so that you familiarize yourself with their platform. Do make sure you check a Forex news aggregator before you take any trade. Each day, go ahead to any Forex news aggregator. I normally use Forex Factory and check if there's any news concerning any pairs you want to trade before you go live, or before you take any particular trade, either on demo or real account. Make sure you check it out. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade. This can be used on Great Britain pounds, Japanese yen, on any Forex pair, either on Euro USD or Great Britain pounds USD, as many pairs you have on your MT4. This can be used to trade metals like gold, silver, platinum, and the rest. You can use this to trade indices like a NASDAQ, that is US 100, US 30, US 500. And you can trade stocks with this particular strategy like Google stocks, Facebook stocks, Amazon stock, Tesla, and the rest, as many as you have on your MT4. You can trade crude oil with this particular strategy if you have it on your MT4. Also, you can trade cryptocurrency like BTC, USD, ETH, USD, any cryptocurrency pairs that you have on your MT4. As I said, this strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4, and make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Now let us go on to today's tutorial, how to trade this particular strategy, all the Forex tools or indicators that I've combined together for this particular strategy. I have few indicators on my chart, and I will explain it one by one and how I combine these indicators together to trade profitably on any pairs I want to trade. You can use this particular strategy on any time frame you want. One thing you have to look out for is this macro indicator that changed from green to red. Green means buy and red is for sell. There I have another indicator here also that changed from lime color to red for a sell. Lime color is for buy and red is for sell. And I have a pivot point indicator on my chart. We have the D1, we have the pivot point for the day, the PP, then we have the resistance 1, resistance 2 and 3. We have support 1, support 2 and support 3. And on my indicator window, I have a MACD here. This is the MACD cross line and the histogram, and I have another trend indicator. On the chart, I have a small arrow here, no repeating arrow for sell, yellow, either is yellow, pointing down is for sell, and pointing up is for buy. Now, how do I use these particular indicators or all the indicators together to come up with a winning trade on regulated forex brokers? Now, what I look out for is this. It is simple, and let me explain. At this particular point, I have this macro indicator change to green, that is lime color, for a buy. And when you check MACD crossed before this level. It crossed before this point. Let's go back a bit. At this particular point, MACD did cross here for a buy, and the macro indicator changed at this particular point, and you will notice that this is coming from a D1, that is this is D1 the pivot calculation, and this is PP line, this white line. This is a good buy signal that you can wait for all the indicators to be in agreement, or you place your trade when you have the arrow at this particular point, either from resistance or support zone. Then you can place your trade. It is not compulsory you use all the indicators I have combined, but if you need extra confirmation, and that was why I combined the other indicators. So at this particular point, this is where we have MACD cross here. The other indicator changed to green. We have the macro cross, then we have the arrow, and we have the pivot point at this particular point. This is a good signal, and as you can see, we have a good ride on Great Britain pounds Japanese yen. And right now, the best signal to take or trade right now, we have this. Let me enlarge it a bit so that you see it clearly. At this particular point, we have the D1. This is support 1, resistance 1 rather, and here we have this macro indicator turned to red. We have the yellow arrow in agreement. We have the pivot point indicator. We have MACD that gave us signal here, and that's why you do not use MACD alone, and the market keep on pushing up before it finally gave us a signal here. And when you check the last indicator here, all are in agreement right now, so you can place your trade. The first take profit will be here, the second take profit will be here, and the last take profit will be S3. So you can divide all the trade to 3. If you want to enter like a 0.3, you can take a 0.1 in 3 places. The first take profit will be here, the second take profit will be S2, and the third take profit will be S3. And what you will do immediately you are in profit, you can adjust your stop loss to break even, so that you will know you are not losing any of your money and secure your capital. So this is how to trade this particular strategy. You can use it on any pairs, and you can use it on any time frame. This is Great Britain pounds on 1 hour time frame. Great Britain pounds Japanese yen. If you check 15 minutes, it's still the same methodology. Just make sure you follow the rules and trade profitably. And here is it on 5 minutes. We have a good run here on Great Britain pounds Japanese yen. The market is down already, so you can keep on scalping on the lower time frame, trading on regulated forex brokers. I do not intend to keep this video very long, so let's check other pairs before I show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. This is Euro USD on 1 hour. This is Great Britain pounds on 1 hour. This is USD Japanese yen on 1 hour. We have a set signal right now. This is New Zealand Japanese yen. CHF, JPY. They are all giving us signal now. So this is a good indicator or strategy that you can use on regulated forex brokers. Make sure you try out this strategy on demo account before you go live. Do not risk your money or your fund trading on any broker's platform that is not regulated. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy and the setting. Besides, I drop my template so that you'll be able to use my template. I have the same setting like mine. The first indicator here is macro color crossover indicator. These are my values and these are the colors. But if you will use my template, there's no need of setting it up manually. And the signal indicator, this star, these are the color. And the no repainting indicator, the yellow arrow, the Keynesian indicator, there's nothing to change here. The all pivot point indicator, so I changed the time frame to D1. But if you want any other time frame or the current time frame, you can set it, but I prefer D1 so that we know where the market is ending to us on the daily chart or on a daily basis. So this is just where you set it up. There I have the symbol changer here. The first indicator window is a double MACD, and these are the colors and these are the values. And the last indicator, but not the least, is the trend indicator. These are the values and the colors. So this is how to set up all the indicators. I do drop my template so you can use it. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Check forex news aggregator, and I use Forex Factory so you can use them. Also, you can use the platform to check if there's any news concerning any pairs you want to trade before you take any trade. Make sure you follow money management. Do not waste your resources. No matter how secure or how accurate signal or strategy is, make sure you follow money management. No strategy or indicator is 100% accurate. Please follow money management. Anytime you place your trade, your stop loss will be few pips above the previous high for a sell, and for a buy your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low, and you can ride the trend with trailing stop. So make sure you register with regulated forex broker and try out their platform before you go live. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so and do give me a thumb up. That is all I need from you. The download link to all the indicators I use and my template is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.